Welcome back from our break. Of course, you're watching Predis. I'm your host, Cruddy, and we're inside the Gap Cafe at night. Trust me, this fireplace is not like that. It's lit wonderful. As I said, the Gap Cafe, truly Jamaican. Now, it's time for talent on the rise. Who we have this week? Ranko. So, Ranko, talk to the people and Mama Son, all of them big hits that we have.
Bad mind people no likes the progress. Tell me why them a fight the progress. Ranko a rise and me see them a protest. But them can't stop me, I'm so blessed. Hey boy, move out of my son, wear me, I want you. Watch it, make me have a good day. Gonna see how long me a work and pray. Finally me song start get ready to play. Hey boy, move out of my son, wear me, I tell you no. Watch it, make me have a good day. Gonna see how long me a work and pray. Finally me song start get ready to play.
Yeah, Ranko right now, Ranko is just a bad artist. We are trying to prove music to the best way. That's why we say Predis and we this. So Ranko is just the next artist that come to you with quality music. No, Mama Son is just the next song where is a production and a product of the ghetto where we are trying to make people know, say, get the negative out of the way and make Mama Son go through. And literally we are telling a man to move out of the way, but it's just a figure of speech, you know, the intelligent way. That's what I say. Well, that track, you know, we get some real people to work on it, just like De Niro Tech Device. I don't know, said happen up at UIM studio. So big respect to Angel Black, so I make everything happen. You don't know Black Diamond. So it's a musical masquerade production, but them people that do the work, and a youth like Dunwell kind of finish and top off the whole thing. So it's a team of people, it's a team effort to come together and make Mama Son happen. That's why you hear that great production there. So respect to all of them people there.
You make me prevail, so me can there, so I give the detail. Thank you, Mama, cause you always come bail.
Well, it's rough, you know, it's tough, you know, but at the end of the day, we still have to give thanks for where we reach and all of the good that happen. So I whole heap of bad, but we not dwell on the negative. We them two want to talk about them. So it's a sweet journey. We're going to just add it off with that, and that's how we reach. Johnny Cool just take up my song and start play it, and me feel good. Yesterday I heard song and him just give me some whole heap of big up and some whole heap of play and a lot of things. So thumbs up. And the highlight of Ranko career, that Mama Son, the whole video, the whole thing. Yeah, you know, real name of Jermaine Bill now. I'm come up with the name Ranko now. It's like before even music. 94 with that whole O.J. Simpson thing there. You see my driving a white Bronco. You don't know, we try to put little thoughts to we head and we have a Ranko, Bronco. So we just move the B and I mean name myself. We actually grew up in a Portland to Spanish Town. So Portland that be like my little foreign then when everybody go do them little holiday in New York and Miami. A Portland me do my own. Yeah, me have a new thing I come out right now with me and Pam put up on the same rhythm there with Movado and Jadakiss. And me have a next thing I come out for Masquerade same with me and Chico. You know? And me have some whole heap of singles I work on right now for some other people. So look out, Ranko go bubble, man.
As I said before, we're here at the Gap Cafe. You know, people love the wonderful scenery, the vibe that they get right here at the Gap Cafe. But me, everybody don't love my belly. I love the food here at the Gap Cafe. And I'm here with Chef Winston. Chef Winston, what's up?
Nothing much. Welcome to the Gap Cafe.
Yeah.
Well, all about the food at the Gap Cafe. You know, we have to make it outstanding, different from the rest. And
what we have right here now?
Well, we have a homemade pizza with all our Gap secret.
The Gap secret. You see, like I'm talking about secret, I need to know the secret behind the Gap's oxtail. What's in the Gap oxtail?
Well, it's the secret all about simmering, cooking to perfection, and that's what the people love. And the secret that's in it.
Chef, yo, what's up here? Since we're in the kitchen, we're talking about food, let's just go to the Jamaica Grill Off, because we have highlights of that. And since you love food, you're going to love this feature right now. Chef Winston, The Gap, Cruddy, Predis.
wide range of products, right? And we have quite a number of those that you can use in the kitchen. And you know, as you can see here, Lysol kills 99.9% of virus and bacteria. Now you don't want that in your house, right? So Lysol has involved itself in this competition, sponsoring all the booths with a basket, and of course the trophy. And we've given all of the booths, all the contestants here, our products to use so that they can familiarize themselves with how good it is.
The Skittles are for the kids. You know, we want to encourage all of them to taste the rainbow. So we're giving out free samples today, and we have various games that you can play and win a lot of different prizes. For Orbit is our sugar-free gum, and the tagline, the best tasting cavity protection. We encourage persons to, when they're unable to brush after meals, to chew sugar-free gum as a way of maintaining good oral health.
Well, it's the first time we're entering, you know, and it's really about brethrens coming together, having some fun. I mean, we always roll together on the streets, we always touch road together, so we figure to name the team Street Team and just keep it real, keep the vibe real, you know. And as you can see, we just come up with like a construction vibe and kind of have a peanut stall set up and giving away peanuts while we're just jerking the food, barbecuing the beef, the chicken, the fish, the pork, you know. Everybody enjoying it. We are loving it. The feedback been tremendous because people been loving the beef.
And the lines are long.
And the lines been long, and people loving the pig's tail because that was just something we brought in as a surprise, and clearly we should have brought more.
These guys always put together a very good event, you know, a very nice family-oriented thing for everybody to just come out on a Sunday with your family and take a stroll and see what everybody has to offer, you know. So for us, it's more about just being visible and putting out some food and reminding everybody about Walker's what it's about, you know, which is flavors of Jamaica. You know what I mean? And that's our way of always saying thanks back to our people that buy us off the supermarket shelves, you know what I mean? So they get a chance to have some food on us today.
Is it the first time you guys are getting involved in the grill off?
No, we've been involved a couple times, on and off when we can be, but for us, you know, Jamaica is our home turf, and I mean, having a good image here helps with our sales export, you know.
Well, it's just a bunch of friends getting together, decided to just grill for the competition. This is our third year now. It's fun, you know. We love to cook. As you can see, my size, I love to eat, so it's basically friends getting together, having fun, drinking a beer, cooking food for the public.
What's the feedback been like to what you guys are cooking today?
Been good, actually. Very good. People been coming back begging for more, and we run out fast, so it's been good feedback. I've enjoyed it. Mostly for the fun. The trophy's a bonus, you know, and the prize money. But other than that, it's just for fun. Just for fun, something to do on a Sunday.
I kind of jumped in at the last minute, and I love to grill. Good experience. So me and my brothers and some good family friends. My girlfriend is here, we're all helping out, and we're here to have fun. And you know, if we win a prize, it's a bonus, which we plan to. First time, and I mean, it's a good crowd. It's a lot of work though, but you know, you pace yourself and you can't go wrong. And once you have a good team like I do, then smoother the better.
Well, today we grilled rib, pork tenderloin, beef tenderloin, chicken, and fish. And all of those we use our seasoning. For example, we put our pork seasoning on the pork, our chicken seasoning on the chicken, and of course our herbs and garlic seasoning on the fish that we made today. And we have a seasoning that we make that we call a grill and roast meat seasoning. We put that on the beef tenderloin.
Reggae Jamming has been a part of the All Jamaica Grill Out competition since it started 7 years ago. This is a true family event, and our brand really, you know, our target market is really family, kids, and so forth. So for us to come on board, it was a good synergy. And also for the first time this year, we have our Reggae Jamming mini grill off competition. So we had kids earlier today, 8 to 12 that entered the mini grill off competition, and it went extremely well. So in essence, we're creating little chefs, you know, so it was a pretty good event. Each year we try to bring something different to show the utility of the product. So you have a burger, but you don't have to make it like a burger. You can cut it in strips, you can do it as a pasta, you can do it as a salad. So we use this opportunity, this platform, to really promote the utility of the product.
It was an excellent day. The weather was perfect. All the teams came out. They displayed their best. I mean, I tasted a bunch of food today, and trust me, the teams really went all out. The food was awesome. I had rabbit, I had ribs, I had chicken, I had fish. I mean, trust me, my belly is full. And I wasn't even a patron. I was just tasting here and there. Well, the challenge is really support, the corporate support. Every year we're trying to find new sponsors to, let us continue. This is a one-of-a-kind event that I find it, I have to find a way to make it happen every year. Because, it's a family event, it's a barbecue, Southern style barbecue. Nobody else in Jamaica is doing this type of event. And I mean, I pull out all the stops, my team, I should say, pulls out all the stops every year to make it happen. Kerry Bell, Ryan Wright, couldn't be done without them.
Remember, you're watching Predis, the #1 spot for entertainment and lifestyle, not only in Jamaica and the Caribbean, but also in North America, right? Remember, I'm your host, Cruddy, and we have a big party on June the 30th. It's called Rum Bar, Rum Punch. So everybody can roll out to that, can check it out. Big up the whole crew down in Margarita, always supply me with some water. Margarita, hey, Vela.